When assembling the Vanta XRF, you will note that the battery is not inserted in the XRF equipment. To insert the battery in the XRF equipment, notice the notches at the side over here. When you are slotting it, if the Vanta battery is not going into it properly, simply turn the battery and slot it in correctly. There are two clasps at the side. These have to be pulled when you are inserting the battery and released when the battery is inserted. To remove the battery or to swap one battery with another, what you have to do is you have to simply pull the battery out from the battery holder case. On the battery holder case, you will see that there are these arrows. These arrows, when swapping one battery for another, there are arrows marked on these batteries as well. You have to slot these batteries in line with the battery. If I put it like this is wrong, because the battery mark is not matching with the arrow mark on the battery case holder. So I have to turn it and then I have to slot it. Now when I do that, both the arrow marks are slotted in the correct direction and the battery will go in properly. If this is happening, that means your arrow mark is not matching with the battery mark. So take the battery out and turn the battery. And your battery will get slotted as is. To use the XRF equipment, what you have to do is, there are three buttons over here. The first button, this is the power button, this is the joystick, and this is the back button. This instrument is touch screen. So right now when you put it on, you'll see that there is a green light coming over here. When the green light comes on, that means it will take some time for your Olympus screen to come. If you have to keep it down, you can keep it down directly for charging. Also, if you have to use the XRF screen, this particular XRF screen. Now it's showing me the welcome screen as it shows you on your PC. You have to choose the option of OFI Advanced. Once you do that, you have to put in your password, which is 2019. When you do that, then you get this is your home screen. This is the same screen that you will be seeing on your PC when you connect it to the PC. If you are ready and if you want to take a sample, you just have to click on ready. When the XRF is on, please do not point the XRF gun at any particular person. Do not point it at yourself. Do not point it at any particular person. The XRF gun needs to be directed at the sample. When the light is flashing on, that means that the XRF is in use. This XRF will show you the same screen. This screen film which is there is a screen guard. This is not to be removed. Once you are done with the sample analysis, the sample will then give you the result here itself. Or you can use the options below to browse and export the results. Once you have ended once the test has been ended, you will get a ending X-rays message that you just saw. When your XRF is ready, you will see a ready symbol over here. That means your symbol is ready to move. To shut down the instrument, click the shutdown button. You will get an option asking you, do you wish to shut down? So you say okay. It will take some time for the XRF to shut down. Please note that when you are using the XRF, since it is a generator of X-rays, you have to be careful with it. So do not place your fingers in front of the detector when the detector is in use. If you have to, this particular part of the detector of the XRF instrument is the trigger. If you click on this trigger, your XRFs will be triggered and your test will start. So please do not be very gentle when using this particular part. Do not want to trigger X-rays. You can either use it directly from your screen or from the Quanta PC software.